Hi guys, my name is Gabriela Dirisa Pardosi. I am a student of PB University majoring in Information System. In this video, I will explain about what business and information system are. Okay, without talking long, let's watch the video explanation. Okay, now we will discuss what business is. Business is an activity carried out by individuals or organizations that involves the process of making, buying, selling, or exchange goods or service with the aim of making a profit. Concept in business in general. In a business concept, there are several main components, namely 1. Core strategy, namely the vision and mission of a business, which includes the ideals expected from the business. 2. Strategy researchers, which are all related to key competitions, core process, and strategy assets or service needed by the community. 3. To achieve the welfare of the owners or factor of production and society. Business goals. Some of the business objectives are as follow. 1. To gain profit for business activities. 2. For the procurement of goods. Business function. Some of the business functions are as follow. 1. From utility, which is a production function where a business products or good or service that are needed by the community. For example, furniture companies, financial service companies. 2. Place utility, namely the distribution function where a business distributes a product or service to the nearest location that can be reached by consumers. Business benefit. Running a business provides many benefits for the perpetrators. By owning a business, you will experience the following benefits. 1. Get award and recognition. 2. Be your own boss. 3. Pay yourself. Types of business. Business can be classified into several types, including 1. Manufacturing business. 2. Service business. 3. Trading business. Okay, after listening to the explanation about business, now we will explain what an information system is. Let's see. Information systems are generally known as software that can help organize or analyze data. Information systems have the main goal of converting raw data into useful information for an agency or organization. The purpose and function of information system. 1. Collecting input data. 2. Storing data. 3. Generating information output. Component of an information system. 1. Computer hardware. 2. Computer software. 3. Telecommunication. 4. Database and stronger. 5. Human resources and producers. Example of application of information system. 1. E-commerce. 2. E-learning. 3. Knowledge work system. 4. Office automation system. 5. Fleet management system. Okay, that's all the discussion about business and information system for me. If there are word error, I'm sorry, as big as it is, I'm learning to speak English independently. Okay, that's all and thank you. See you guys.